If you are utilizing the Unplugged app on your computer to share your screen to the Boxlight Interactive panel, you will notice on the app itself when it's opened on your device, there is a volume speaker in the bottom right-hand corner. When I select this volume speaker, it allows me to adjust the volume that is being shared. So if you have turned the volume to 100% on your Boxlight panel and the shared volume is still extremely low, it's not going to increase. But if you increase this volume, you will be able to see a difference. So simply launch the Unplugged app directly on your computer, select the volume in the bottom right corner, and adjust from there.